Hi, this is Abhimanyu from AI Library. In this video, we're going to talk about how to edit the generated articles, whether it is the title, description, image, or the body. Once you're logged in into your AI Library platform and you've clicked your agent, simply navigate to the left navigation menu bar and click on Content. As you can see, this article was recently generated 14 minutes ago. Let's say I'm not satisfied with the title of it. I simply click on it, and here I can change it to harness the power of multiple prompting techniques and click outside to save the changes. I can do the same for the description. Let's say I want to change the image. I can either upload it from my own PC or I can scroll through the multiple options here, click on any, and the image will be replaced. Let's say I'm not satisfied with the body. I can simply click on the body itself. It will take me to such an interface where on the left side, whatever edits I make will start showing on the right side. Let's say I want to say perfect for quick one off requests. Let's say I want to remove all the full stops from behind these points. I've just removed them. As you can see in the first section, the full stops have been removed. All you need to do is click on and the changes have been made. So there you go.